Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing accounts and initiating the backup. Sign into your Google account in the Google Photos app and grant Photos permission to access all photos. Once done, choose Backup and Sync and select the upload quality you want. High quality saves space, original preserves full resolution. Make sure iCloud Photos is on if you use it, since Photos needs access to the library. Finally, connect to Wi-Fi or allow cellular upload so large batches begin immediately. Next, manage detailed upload settings and select Content to Sync. Open Google Photos Settings Backup and Sync, toggle uploads, pick upload size, and set whether to use cellular data. Then go to Photos or Albums and tap and hold to multi-select pictures or entire folders to prioritize. If your iPhone uses optimized storage, temporarily disable iCloud automatic offload so full resolution files aren't missing during transfer. This ensures Google Photos receives complete files. Finish by verifying the sync and handling common issues. Open Google Photos and confirm the status shows backup complete or review the pending count. Compare total items with your iPhone library to ensure parity. If upload stalls, toggle backup and sync off then on, restart the app, or reboot the phone to force a fresh connection. If specific photos are missing, make sure Google Photos has Photos permission, check iCloud access, and reselect the items. This resolves most permission or optimized storage conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.